Alright, we are back. I'm thinking that I need to maybe get a few more levels in. So, try to find a place to snooze, which I think this is both snoozing and whatever. Hello.
You're no soldier, are you? I'd not recommend camping. You'll awake neath a blanket of ash.
Ugh.
I can give you a roof over your head at least.
Rest till tomorrow morning, and then we'll go
How
on.
I've longed to...
I feel refreshed and ready for a new day.
I'm sure.
Off we go, then.
Feeling rested?
Whoa, hello.
We've got rattlers!
I doubt ice will be of any use against it.
Oh, now you tell me.
I will protect you. Let my magic imbue your weapon with the fury of the elements.
Like which one? Get this tail.
I've never heard such nonsense. Leave off, before you earn my spell.
I don't like the look of this.
What the hell? Almost like I'm not doing anything. Guy's dead. Anything down here?
This place offers a view of the sea.
I wonder what lies at its bottom.
White cobble. That's useful somewhere. Alright.
indecision may spell our doom.
Understood.
Noise. Ooh, blackened horn. Got 2 of them. That might come in good for something. Alright, let's go kill these harpies. These herpes. Wait, what's that? Oh. We'll get him too while we're at it.
I would have preferred not to have to fight so soon, but at least I know I am up to the challenge.
Try not to get hit, lest all that vim go to waste.
Well done.
Oh, he was already dead. Okay. Is there another one? Okay. Where are they? I hear them. I got it on the head anyway. That's good.
I'll be needing a tall mug of ale to recover from that blow.
My curative magics are at your
You're so
disposal.
funny. Ho, ho, ho,
Wait
ho.
right there.
You're so funny. I forgot to. Uh-oh. Did I miss? Oh, here's another Sleeping Beauty.
Let my
Nice.
magic grant you an elemental boon.
Sweetness. Alright.
We can ill afford to rush headlong into battle. Let us watch our foe carefully to determine our best.
Haha. Alright. Come on, Archie. We'll get this thing out here. Away from that golem. See if he comes back. Ooh, nice. Any other ones I missed down there? Okay.
This ladder looks sturdy enough to climb.
After you, Arisen.
Alright. Oh, there she is.
A griffin comes. You'll not live to
I
regret.
shan't allow any further harm to come to you.
Strike hard enough. We might not have to do this twice.
Strike fast and true, and our quarry shall fall.
Of course.
my protection.
This foe is beyond our strength. I recommend a swift retreat.
I know not what to say.
I'm saved. Thank you, Arisen.
Of course you are.
Who's using it against them?
Damn. Again? God damn, this is taking a while.
Fall back, and I will heal you with my magic. Wait right there. Damn it. Can't get to it. Where's he at? Oh,
Look out, Arisen! We're under attack!
I'm not worried about him. Where's his weak spot at?
Not far to go now. Keep your focus.
This guy is going nuts.
I hope he wasn't expecting that, Steve.
God damn. Is that not it? Where's that? Where's this other one at? Is that it? There we go.
No harm shall come to you.
Damn it. hell? Shit. Whoa. There we go. Son of a bitch.
Glorious success.
Our combined...
Whatever 'tis you need, I shall gladly oblige.
Electrum. Whatever that is for. Anything from him? Nope. What's all this? Ooh, magic metals. Extra metal. Okay. Probably don't need it. More magic metal. Alright.
Sunset draws near.
Yep.
We shall have to rely on
Uh-oh.
our other senses as the darkness.
The field of battle is wont to pit us against our fellows, but that does not make cutting them down easier to bear.
Right you are.
Alright. Alright, we got some more levels. Let's head on back to camp. Dungeon. We'll have to check that out.
Now then, which way?
Do we decide based on our experience, or trust to our instincts?
Bow out, you guys want to get a heart attack. Right.
You're no soldier, are you? I'd not recommend camping. You'll await neath a blanket of ash.
Just throw some stuff in here. Yeah, that. 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 Whoop, that. That. Why am I still have this out? That's what she's wearing is that 325. 186, 186, 386. Hers is better.
I'll give you a roof over your head at least. No.
Oh, there we go. Let's see what we got here. There it is. Yale. Right there. Now, we can separate that with this one. And guess everything else is okay for right now. Because when I get that Sagittarius Avalanche, that's going to replace this one. But for right now, the Remedy Arrow's okay. Not going to put up
Much
the
obliged.
ult yet because don't really need it. What's this? For a trickster. Can't even use that right now. You have to. Alrighty then. 30, 29, 27. Oh, you guys are good for another few levels. Okay, good. I'm finally light for it. What the? Oh.